Atiku accuses Tinubu government of undermining judiciary over Nnamdi Kanu's detention. Former Vice President Atiku Abubakar has launched a scathing attack on the Bola Tinubu-led federal government, accusing it of systematically flouting court orders and eroding Nigeria's rule of law. In a statement that has sparked widespread debate, Atiku highlighted the prolonged detention of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, leader of the Indigenous People of Biafra, IPOB, as a glaring example of the administration's disregard for judicial authority. Labeling the government's actions an abuse of power and an assault on justice, Atiku's accusation points to a broader pattern of allegations that the All Progressives Congress APC administration is undermining democratic institutions, raising concerns about the state of governance in Nigeria. In a post shared on his official X account earlier today, Atiku emphasized the detrimental impact of the government's refusal to honor court rulings, particularly in Kanu's case. The continued detention of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu remains an open sore on our nation's conscience and a stain on our belief in the rule of law, he wrote. Multiple courts have granted Kanu bail, yet the government has consistently defied these orders, prompting accusations of selective justice and political persecution. Atiku's remarks underscore a growing tension between the opposition People's Democratic Party, PDP, and the ruling APC, with the former vice president framing the issue as a deliberate violation of constitutional principles that threatens Nigeria's democratic fabric. The controversy has reignited debates about judicial independence and the Tinubu administration's commitment to upholding the rule of law. Atiku's outspoken criticism resonates with a segment of Nigerians who view the government's actions as part of a broader trend of overreach, including allegations of suppressing dissent and disregarding legal frameworks. As public discourse intensifies, analysts warn that the administration's failure to address Kanu's matter could further erode trust in Nigeria's democratic institutions, setting a dangerous precedent for governance. With Atiku's statement amplifying calls for Nnamdi Kanu release, the Tinubu government faces mounting pressure to respond to accusations of undermining the judiciary and to reaffirm its commitment to constitutional order. Family Writers Press International.